guys, what is this? Yeah. Welcome to my vlog. Get ready with me as I go to a trip to another country. Anyways, I just woke up. It's currently 7:48. I didn't go to work today. I'm not going to work today because your girl is going to Angola, so I'm gonna take you guys along because the last time I went to Angola with my aunt, I didn't take you guys along. Actually, I took you guys along, but I never uploaded the videos. So tag along on my road trip to Anjiva. Yes, baby. Yes. Let me wake up and go back because my aunt just called that she's already on her way. So my mom just left to take my baby to work. I took to school, so I could not stop. I'm also busy uploading our vlog, but I don't know, my PC is acting up, but I'm busy uploading our vlog for the work series. We are done. I took a bath. Smell good. Yeah. I'm going to for my curtain. Anyhow, I just finished. Where can I put you guys? So I put you guys here. Which handbag should I take? I have my handbag, my purse, whatever you wanna call it. It's empty or empty. Vaseline, very recommended because in Angola the lips get dry very fast. My fast, I don't know what oil whatsoever. It's not so disgusting and dirty. So pass. Pasi. Pasi. Why with me? I know how to speak Portuguese. Você fala português? Tudo bem? Obrigado. Também. From my work bag, we're gonna need what? Our wallet. We definitely need it. In the wallet is just where I'm gonna place everything that I need, such as my ID. That's all I need. I don't know where to go. Everything. Don't forget to always have this in your bag. It's a lady. But I'm not gonna put it in my bag. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. My jeans. Money. I have gum, so I'm gonna take this gum along. Just for balance, you know. I remember I have money. I got it yesterday. Should I take a look at my bag? Or maybe I'll show you. Just for control, my house key. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but it's so nice. So let's first call my mom and ask her if I should leave the house already. Then they are coming to get me. Overall, everything is packed, everything is fine. Others is not, others is sharp. Go outside and check. If I am able to cook, because I'm not a glass person, like ever since I was young, even when I had my original specs, I never liked to wear glass. But I do look pretty. I'm gonna wear them. I also block the sun, so. See you guys. Let me just call my mom quickly. I'll get back to you guys. Then meet after family. We are going. We're departing from home. I don't know why I'm so heavy. This is 24 hours. Oh. Pero ya tú quieres más, pero manjar. Kau di manjir. Eh? Eh? You must keep yourself on the right. Keep yourself on the right, eh? Yourself.
I must keep what?
Udah terfanyakan enak.
Oh.
Terus. Jauhnya di sini.
Long pura kamu.
So we just arrived in Santa Clara from the borders and we look for Francisco Mariano, the motor guy that I know when I go to Angola. Now, Natualo mota. That's my auntie's change felt and I can even don't know a bomb my people are changing 3K, 4K, don't know. Oof. Yo. And before we headed out of Santa Clara on our way to Anjiva, we had to make a stop at SmartZone, which is a cell phone shop, and we also made a stop at the shoe shop, but I didn't film the shoe shop, so you guys are only gonna see us in the SmartZone phone shop. Guys, I can plug you with the best. Yeah, whether it's something better than nearest town from Oshikango or Anjiva, they are very cheap should get your coins and prepare. Comment down below, or comment down below your Instagram handles, and you can also DM me on my IG or TikTok or my WhatsApp if you have my number. I'll plug you with the best phone, guys. The variety of phones, there are M horses, M horse Pro Max, ones like iPhone. We also have Samsungs, Itels. We also have Tamagotchis. But there you guys can only mostly see M horse because this time they received mostly M horse stock. I love this shop. It's really reliable and convenient, and they're very good people to work with. As you can tell, we are on the motors. Yeah, the only transport or most transport that they use there in Angola. We are on our way to the bus stop, so we go to Anjiva, and that's my aunt in front with Mariana. Yeah, they really enjoyed the motor, and my aunt said the motorcycle is one of the comfortable cycles or transport in Angola for her, of which she never drove on a motorcycle. I've been to Angola several times, a lot of years, but this day was the first and foremost, I don't even know what to say, day that I really enjoyed the drive. Because tell me good music from when, I got the rarest por aquello Antarctica and Anjiva. The African to form in Angola was such a big disadvantage because the Angolans, if they see you filming or taking clips of them, it's like a more word Benek and Deb, and they don't even play those ones. So that's why most of the time I was filming from a weird angle because also I'm not comfortable filming in public. I'm not in my country firstly, and secondly I am just not really used to filming in public, Natango. I don't know, it's so hard. Like, I'm camera shy, man. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, here we are at the Shoprite Mall. We are going to Boabe. It is a phone shop also. It's Boabe, I don't know, whatever. We are going to buy my aunt's baby's tablet, and yeah, then we head over to Paraza or Paraza Chisumatala in Gala. Tablet, madam, same price, no? $1.3. 1.3, 1.2. Oh, siya ka price ato? Apa cuma kabar? Bisa kabar. Ya? Lo punya apa punya? Kulit bu? Kulit. Ah, ada ini apa kabar? Kabar apa? Plastic. Kabar apa? This is not too big. Oh, this one is fine. This one is. But this one is cheaper than this one. Hello. Yeah. This one is cheaper. Oh, this is the other shop. What are you doing? Come na siya. Hmm? Ah, yeah? Aye, oh, nandina ipumbwale waweleka 69 hapo.
Happy face.
Munjua?
Yeah?
Munjua? Tokane uko tenga nawele?
Eh.
Oshi mashema. Yeah? Check. Now we good. Eh. Kusura baby? Ko paper. Paper. Yes. That is good. Capture the beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see how beautiful Anjiva is? Mandumende and then Fios statue over there where the water is splashing. It looks so pretty. Look at the hallelujah there being pushed. So beautiful. Tukareka tuli hapa kafanikiwa kichakui. The current location is at Anjiva, where we are foreigners. We are in a foreign country. So yeah, there we are headed to Paraza. Like I said, we are on a motor, me and my aunt's friend. She's in front of me this time, and my aunt is on her motor alone. We are still in Anjiva, but we are heading on the deeper side of Anjiva. We're going to Omikunda, Zemwenga. I don't even know the names of Omikunda. Some is Mama Side, some is, I don't know, but yeah. Market to the Moshilongo, we are amigas these days. Look at my aunt waving, my dear. Mogel is happy with the tombelli. With the tools, enjoying first time in Angola. Taravakwetu tutanoka kurupo konga ondo shili anabikile ke moshilongo shapo mungo. Unlike some of us, but I'm also used now because back then I used to grow up on the person that is driving the motorcycle. But no, I'm a tender that I don't even care anymore. I'm filming, comfortable. I can even sit and easy minding my business. And yeah, savanga tofika ni Paraza. Oh, you guys need to skip my talanga. If you guys can see that white big building there, if you want anything for your house, for yourself, that building is a plug. Mama talana mongo. ¿Es cuánto? Oh,
Bueno, não tem preços.
¿es por eso?
Mil quanto? Não, não. Abre o programa. Reinstala de novo. Apaga, por isso. Apaga aí.
Apa udah nggak? Motor ini, iya, hoja aja. 60 aja pernah punya 50 something. Berendo que me gané el curso. ¿Qué más eso que me fel?
Eso que me sale algo, no me diga. Wala ka ba nga? Ilan pa mo sa mga simpo?
Hindi mo.
Gota mo sa simpo, sige ka, no problema. Ito ulo, stay mo.
I saw this pink Oshiata and I had to get like 2 meters for my baby. It was a lot, but I had to get it because she's graduating in November and their theme is pink for the girlies. So a proud and responsible mother, should I say? Yeah, that's me. I didn't get to film a lot anymore, Shashineyo. It has been so busy. I was looking up and down my aunt and my aunt's friend, like asking me where this and this is and what and the prices, and me explaining to them basically kucha shingato varulanga, shinyanga shininga piso in meleta ta meaning anga. So yeah, so here Matalikesh Velo. Afterward we done shopping. There is like a guy that had to carry our stuff and we paid him. Atulinenga to resting. Yeah, so we are back on down where we are at on Monday for 07 Pokamini. We're just waiting for my mom to come and pick us up so we head home and sleep and have a beautiful rest. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Do make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification on to be notified every single time. Thank you for watching. Bye.